Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to do the singing line that we learned this week in the Zoom class, and I will play Mbira as I sing, and I'm also going to play a hosho track, which is one of the hosho tracks I'm sending out to you for practice this week. It's the one that is the medium tempo hosho track. I'm gonna put that on a speaker, and hopefully the sound of the hosho will come through to tell you where the beat is. So here we go. Ahia, 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 biri biri wow yow, ahia, 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 biri biri wow yow, ahia, 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 ahia. Ahia, biri biri wow yow, ahia, 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 biri biri wow yow, ahia, 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 biri biri wow yow, ahia. Ahia, 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 biri biri wow yow, ahia, 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 biri biri wow yow, ahia, 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 ahia. Ahia, biri biri wow yow, ahia, 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 biri biri wow yow. As you will notice, I have a hard time singing on the third phrase with this missing thumb note. So I'm just putting that thumb note in there to keep time. And for me, if I have to make a small adaptation like that, even though it doesn't, I get why he's taking it out. It doesn't sound great sandwiched in between the other two notes. I don't love it. But the reality is that when we're singing, people aren't really gonna hear that note. Ahia, ahia, ahia. Also, you can kind of ghost the note, so you may not really hear it in the video so much as see it. I'm really just putting my thumb on the note, but it does help me to keep time. And I find that when I try to take it out entirely, it's really hard for me to coordinate where the beat is across all three of the cycles of the song. So that's why you see me playing that note in this video, but not in the teaching videos for the kushaura, and it's not in the tab notation. All right, good luck putting everything together, and I look forward to seeing you this coming Sunday for our last Zoom session.